What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your jailbroken device. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome tweak that will bring tiny widget to status bar. As you see, this tweak enhances your status bar with an intuitive interactive widget, intelligently displays relevant information as required. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source, Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for Emerald Tweak. This is the tweak. Emerald Tweak, as I said, will bring tiny widgets to the status bar and enhances your status bar with an interactive widget. Emerald transcends the native status bar experience by incorporating intuitive widgets that respond to your input. Examples include a now playing interface, weather information, notifications, device battery levels, and more. Now just go ahead and install it. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open Emerald Preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is enable the tweak from here. You can also enable the tweak in the lock screen if you want, just by enabling this button here. You can also configure an application blacklist. As you can see, this tweak gives you a lot of options that you can customize as you like. You can change swipe left gestures and also change the pill position. You can put it in the center like I do, or put it to the right here or to the left here. I will change the pill position to the left. If you choose Centaur, you can use these options here to adjust the pill X and Y in set amounts and change the scale. You can make the pill bigger or smaller. From here you can enable dynamic pills and also change the pill background style. As you can see guys, Emerald not only looks good but comes packed with 10 useful pills that can be activated from the status bar. These pills offer a variety of features including volume control, date and time displays, device information, weather updates, notification management, network speed, and more. Emerald is a really amazing tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. It supports iOS 12 and above. You will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos guys, and peace.